Ever notice those white streaks airplanes leave behind in the sky? Those are condensation trails, or contrails for short. Contrails are formed when water in the air condenses on particles from an airplane's exhaust, then freezes due to specific temperature and humidity conditions the airplane is flying through. The water on the particles forms into tiny ice crystals, forming a visible trail behind the airplane. While many of these ice particles fade fast, some linger for hours. Depending on the conditions, persistent contrails can trap heat and cause a warming effect. Although their impact on global warming is difficult to quantify, significant efforts are underway to enable mitigation of their warming effects. Boeing is bringing the right players together for research that will help the industry mitigate the impact of contrails through advanced engines, cleaner fuels, better predictive models, and smarter flight paths. It's just one of the many ways we're working to maintain the benefits of aviation while reducing its climate impact.